All right, now I'm going to answer a question that many people have been asking me on Amazon KDP. And that question is: will all the books I publish or someone publishes on Amazon KDP sell? And the answer, without taking much time, is no. All the books you publish on Amazon KDP will not sell because of some factors. All right, so we're going to discuss these factors here. Take, for example, there was a time I did a book on what did I call that book? Okay. Overthinking and stress management. All right. So because I saw some titles in that area doing very well, I said, okay, let me write my own book. So I wrote a book on that title. After 6 months, that book could not make $1. Yes, that's a reality. That book could not make $1. One, that's not the line of books I usually write, but I saw the keyword that I was like, okay, let me give it a try, let me give it a shot. But it did not perform. 2 years, no performance until KDP introduced this audiobook area way of earning too. And I enrolled that book into audiobook. And now behold, that was when this book struggled to make $5 after 2 years of publishing. So, not all books you have there on Amazon KDP will sell. If one flops, let me tell you what you need to do. Check the cover design, all right? See if you can redesign the cover. Okay, give it a good touch. After that, look at the back end keywords and see if you can make some changes at the back end keywords. Know if it will make the book to start ranking high again and start selling. Okay? If you do all these things and it doesn't work, I will tell you to do the last thing now. The last thing may be you contact somebody you know in US, UK, or Italy, especially US and UK, that may be interested in buying your book. Let that person help buy the book so that it will rank up a little, come up in the ranking. Once the person buys this book and it doesn't, pop up from there, maybe buy up to 3 or 4 copies from different people, please rest. Yes, rest, sacrifice that book, and then think of other books you're gonna write. All your books will not sell. All the books you publish on Amazon KDP will not sell. All right, that's the reality. Even though the keywords is profitable. So sometimes you may not understand Amazon algorithm. So if he decides not to, push a particular book, let it rest. It knows his or her reason for doing that. There are some things you may not understand about the system. And let me tell you another story. I created a particular book in 2021, and that book picked up after a month. To date, every month, this book is doing more than any other book I have on my account. It's doing over $250 every month since that 2021 till 2025. Now, somebody saw that book and he went and created his own with his own pen name and the same format. This book is just in two formats: paper format and hardcover, not in ebook format. So the person created his own version and made it to be in that same paper format and hardcover. But it's not performing. My own is outperforming it. In fact, it can compare the two. So there are some books that have what I call special grace. There's nothing you can do about it. So if you see a particular title that is doing so well, and you go ahead and write your own version of that same title, and it's not performing, please rest. So with this, I've answered your question. Not all the books you publish on Amazon KDP will sell. Some will do well, some will flop, some will outperform the others. But what is important is that once one flops, you don't give up. You keep creating others. If you find this content helpful, consider subscribing to this channel. All right. If you need one-on-one training on Amazon KDP, though it's not free, send me email. Just get to my profile and then contact me. I will answer you. Or you can scan the QR code on your screen. All right. Thank you and see you some other time. Stay blessed.